Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to add watch list on TradingView, and now let's dive right in. Now to add extra pairs of stocks or forex or anything which you want to add on your TradingView app, first open up the TradingView app on your phone, and after opening your TradingView app, guys, you can see either you can tap on the add list button at the top right corner of your screen. By that you will be able to make your multiple watch list. But you can see, guys, it says it needs your premium. But if in order to add certain pairs on your watch list, you can see on this interface where it says the add symbol button over here, and currently we are on the watch list section over here. If you want to make a whole another watch list, tap on the add list button, and if you have the premium, you will be able to make your own watch list on your TradingView account. But if not, if you want to just add the symbols to your watch list, then tap on the add symbol button, and there will be a lot of stocks and forex, cryptocurrencies which you want to trade over here. Just tap on the plus button at the right side of each of these stock symbols or forex or any given component symbol at the right side. Let's tap on the USD JPY over here, and it will be added on the watch list of my TradingView account. And with that being said, guys, this is how to add watch lists on TradingView app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.